What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bloodbath Racing. Me and Steven out here in the trailer again, working on this piece of junk. We've been having problems with the valve train again. But we got a fix in the works for that. But for the time being, we're trying to patch it up. So we pulled the rocker bar off of this thing a couple days ago. It was warped severely because we had pulled these bolt holes out. If you look right here, you can see we got a great big insert in that hole and this hole. And then this is just a regular helicoil there. You can see how much smaller, but it pulled the helicoil out of these two sides to drill them and tap them enormous. Put a big insert in there. Got some back here also in the very back. We got one. But this bar was warped really bad from being bent previous repairs and being pulled off. And I mean, we straightened it at the racetrack with a freaking trailer jack. Shout out Sean Staub, helped me out, another racer. But we straightened this thing out at the track, and I mean, it was just junk. So we took it to the machine shop and had 30 thousandths cut off of it to true it back up. She got me some 30 thousandth sheet metal, made a shim for it. Just trace it out and cut a shim out. I mean, it's not scientific. It's just to keep the rocker geometry right and give it a flat surface to sit on again, in hopes that that'll remedy our bolt situation somewhat for the time being. We got a fix in the works for that on the way. It's going to be 4 to 6 weeks before we get it, but you guys stay tuned and check that out. You know, we'll have some news coming up for that. We'll show you guys when we get that stuff in. But big change coming. Hopefully won't have any more of these issues. But for the time being, we try and patch this thing up so we can keep racing like always. So we're just sticking this shaft back on, put all these rockers back on, readjust them. We're going to pull the other side and check it out tonight. Just usual, you know, weekly maintenance stuff, change oil and that type of stuff. But I mean, you just got to work on these things all the time, you know. So we're just trying to do some preventive maintenance here. Hopefully this will help our rockers stay together a little better, and we'll be able to, you know, make it the next few weeks until we get a solution.
Alright guys, we're back. We got the driver's side all put together. I'm going to show you here on the passenger side what we've been working with. So I'm able to stick this filler gauge right here in between the rocker bar and the cylinder head, which is telling us that there's a gap there. So what we're having to do is go in and put a shim in between to make this thing level. We got a lot of micro vibration that's putting off. It's causing these bolts to pop back loose. So we're trying to get this thing flush and get back tight, and we'll see what we can do here. Alright, you guys, back here with Bloodbath Racing. We've got everything put back together, just put the valve covers back on both sides. We're hoping everything's going to be working like it should. We're going to go out this weekend, we're going to make some passes and hopefully have a great weekend in racing. Just make sure you please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.